Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to 12A cartridge refill. First you open this pin, remove this pin. Okay, after remove this pin, remove your drum from your cartridge and then remove your PCR and then remove cartridge lock pins. You see this pin, okay, and remove another one pin. Please like, subscribe. Okay, open these two screws, this one and other this one. Okay, remove your cleaning blade from your toner drum unit. Remove toner, clean. You see you are wasting clear and connect your cleaning blade. Fit this screw and another screw. Okay, install PCR and then install drum and connect this drum pin. Okay, and open this side cover. Don't open gear side, open this side. Remove this cap. Filling your toner unit. Okay, filling complete. Yes, and connect your cap and this side cover. Okay, fit the screw. Fit your cartridge. This spring is very important. Correct to install this insert pins. Your cartridge filling is complete. Thank you for watching me.